So Oppo introduced their first smartphone from their sub-brand RealMe called the RealMe 1. We got our hands on the phone at the launch event and let's see what this packs. Hey, what's going on guys, it's me Saurav here from Tecky World and you're watching our hands-on review on the RealMe 1. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So the RealMe 1 features a glass design and feels really premium. It packs a MediaTek Helio P650 processor, which is among the newer ones in their lineup. The device I am having in my hand packs a 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal memory, which is expandable up to 256GB via a micro SD card. This device also comes in two other variants. One is with 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage, and another one comes with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage. As far as the camera is concerned, the RealMe 1 packs a 13MP primary camera on the rear and a 8MP front shooter. This device lacks a dual camera setup, but the portrait mode is pretty decent. It has a 6-inch 1080p display with 403 ppi. The RealMe 1 runs on Android 8.1 and is powered by a 3410 mAh battery. The RealMe 1 is a dual SIM smartphone that accepts nano SIM. It doesn't have a gyroscope sensor. The phone feels pretty snappy, but we cannot draw a conclusion on the performance just yet, and same goes for the camera. The phone feels really premium in the hand and is a very compelling deal from Oppo. We can't give the final verdict on the phone yet, as we have not got our hands on properly on this device. We just made this video on the launch event itself, so we are waiting for a device to reach us and we can test it better and get you a full in-depth review of the same. So the RealMe 1 will be exclusively available on Amazon for 8,990 for the 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage, and 13,990 for 6GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage. It will go on sale starting from this month's 25th at 12 PM. Another variant with 4GB and 64GB internal storage will be available sometime later for Rs 10,990. That's pretty much it. Wait for the full in-depth review until we get the proper hands on the device, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And also I've uploaded a vlog about the experience I had while attending this launch event. I hope you will like that as well. So yeah, that's it. This is Saurav here from Tecky World signing off, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.